Hi, welcome to a new Mautic CRM video provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today's video provides an in-depth look at a contacts profile in Mautic. Let's get started. To access a contacts profile, first click Contacts on the main menu. Here, you will see all the contacts in your database. You can easily view key information for each contact, like when they were added to Mautic, which country they're from, and even what stage in the admissions process they're at. For more detailed information about a specific contact, simply click on their name. You'll then be taken to their comprehensive profile. There are 3 central menus in each contact's profile. The Contact Information section over here includes all the personal information about a lead or student. The fields are automatically populated with information from forms, applications, etc. But you can easily edit the information by double-clicking any of the form fields. If you want to add new information, toggle the Show Empty Fields button. Then, find the appropriate field, double-click it, and add your information. This inline editing feature is great for when you want to make a few small changes, but if you have a lot of information to add at a given time, you may want to use the Contact Editor, which you can access by clicking the Edit button in the top right-hand corner. Here, you can populate the many fields as needed and click Save and Close when you're finished adding your information. Now onto the Lead Status section over here. Here you can see key information related to the admissions process, such as lead status and lead stage. You can also view important contact information like email and phone number in this section. As with the previous section, you can edit a field by double-clicking it. Now let's scroll down to the 3rd section, the Contact Activities menu. This details the contact's interaction with your school through email, SMS, calls, and more. You can click each tab for a detailed history of these activities, as well as log any new information, create tasks, and more. If you want to directly contact a student by SMS, you can do so in this section by selecting SMS History and clicking Send SMS. If you want to contact a student by email, simply scroll up the contact profile and click Send Email in the top right-hand corner. Now in this area of the contact profile, you'll also notice a drop-down menu. In the Campaigns section, you can see all the campaigns that the particular contact is a part of. In the Merge section, you can combine 2 contacts together in one profile. And in the Preferences section, you can determine which channels the contact prefers, categorize them, and even add them to different segments. And that's it! Hopefully you now know your way around Mautic's contact profiles. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section on our website at higher-education-marketing.com.